Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add or remove contact records from a static list here in Hubspot. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in HubSpot, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding or removing contact records from a static list in HubSpot is a straightforward process because static lists allows you to manually control which contacts are part of a specific list, and this can offer significant advantages in managing campaigns, outreach, and segmentation. Now I'm going to exit this interface because we need to access the contacts record, and depending on how you set up your HubSpot account, just go to the CRM and there's going to be a contacts because some of the interface, the contacts are on the upper left corner. Okay. Now, for example, if you wanted to add this specific contact to your static list, all you have to do is you have the option to assign to the owner, or there's an option here on the more, and you would be able to move that and create a static list depending on how you create your account. But in my case, it wasn't that set up because I need to hover to the right side panel of my dashboard and hover to the list memberships. All right, because from here I need to click on the manage and add this to the static list. All right, you see that, and search for a static list here. Click on GPLAF static list. I'm gonna click on add. Basically, the contact has been added to the list. That's the easiest way for you to add a contact record from a static list. Now, for us to be able to remove that, all you're gonna do is hover back again to the CRM on the left side panel of your dashboard. Click on list. For example, this is gonna be the list that you're going. Oh, for example, this is gonna be the list that you're working with, and you want to remove this specific contact. All you're gonna do is check the button right here. There should be an option that says more and delete. If you do that, what will happen is there's gonna be a pop-up window that says you're about to delete one record, and deleted records can't be restored after 90 days. All right, and you have to type the number of records below to date. For example, 1, right? This depends entirely on how many data that you have saved in this specific static list. All right, so it's up to you. But in my case, it's just going to be 1. And remember that can't be restored after 90 days. So you have to make sure you have a backup of this specific contact. All right. Now, the record was deleted. All right, so you can do that in every single context that you have here on the static list. Now, what if you're having problems deleting or having an issues deleting contact here on your static list? If that's the case, what you need to do is you simply need to go to the HubSpot Help Center, type into the HubBot if you get an answer, or if not, type into the Learning Center right here if you get an answer. Otherwise, just reach out to the HubSpot Customer Support Center and they would give you insights and troubleshooting steps if in case you encounter any problems adding or removing contact records from a static list in your HubSpot account. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.